What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So Bitcoin broke out from its bear flag channel, and let's see what is the update. Are we going to hit 25,000, 27,000 soon? Let's check. All right, so that's me. All right. So first, let's check the overall crypto market. Bitcoin is now trading back, I guess, to 23,500. A while ago, before I started the stream, Bitcoin was trading above $24,000 and Ethereum was trading above 1,600. Now back to 1,500. Let's check if this is just a small correction before bouncing back up, or this is the correction that may bring Bitcoin and Ethereum back to the previous lows. BNB, almost most of our cryptos are up right now, including the stocks. Bitcoin is up by 19% in the past 7 days. Ethereum up by almost 50% in the past 7 days. BNB 17%. XRP up by 16%, Cardano up by 20%. Watch out for the Vassal hard fork event. Solana is up by 20% and ready for correction. I will show you one chart for Solana, and it's showing bear flag. So let's see if we can get a good correction for Solana. Dogecoin 17% up in the past 7 days. Polkadot back to 7.69. A while ago it was hovering at around $7.9. AVAX back to 24, up by 37% in the past 7 days. One of the strong movers is Matic, up by 50% because of the Disney announcement. And we have Shiba Inu back at number 15, up by 19% in the past 7 days. Tron still hovering at 0.068 for the past 4 weeks right now. It's been hovering there from 0.065 to 0.069 for the past month. Uni is one of the strong movers as well, up by 27%. We have Leo at number 19. And Litecoin up by 23% at $59. Most of my long-term portfolio right now are mostly up. And Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, most of our moon boys are feeling confident right now and want to long and want to reinvest in the market. Some of my friends that have been lost for quite a while have been asking, is it time to buy? So this will attract the moon boys and the retails. Once they see this kind of pump, retails are slowly coming back because also of the some of the influencers are just going crazy right now. And I already seen some tweets and some YouTube videos talking about new ATH. Wow. So 70% or more than 70% drop, and we have just pumped by 50%, and now we are targeting new ATH. So that's the typical moon boys, guys. So just relax, don't panic, and focus on what is currently happening in the market. Fear and Greed Index back to 31 from extreme fear, now only fear. So maybe tomorrow we'll see, or in the coming days we'll see this on the yellow portion here. And Bitcoin long and short position in the past period of 5 minutes. Kraken going all in, 100% long. Bitfinex 77% long in Bitcoin, BitMEX 80% long in the 5 minutes time frame, and most of the top 3 crypto here, Binance, OKX, and BitGet. If you have seen my post about BitGet, guys, one of the best user experience so far that I have used. If you want to download BitGet, they have drag and drop feature. You can download it and you can get some cool prices, like today I've got $50 and $20 trial fund. You can use this trial fund for trading futures, for paying fees, and for buying spot position. So download BitGet using my referral link down below, and you can get up to 40% rebate. Here are the current long and short position for Bitcoin, and this is for the most of the exchanges. Long building up from 22,540 and short from 24,200, and we have building of short at $23,870 and build up of long position at $22,900 or $23,000 level. So we are still, bulls and bears are still fighting. Most of our crypto bubbles are red. Biggest right now is AR. We have also Matic, biggest loser, one of the best gainers in the past week. Also right now, the biggest loser, Rune, also one of the biggest bubble, about to pop 6.8%. Nexo also at 7.4%. We have FTM or Phantom EGLD. One of the strong movers today is Hex. Doge also is showing up. AMP, Clay, and Flow. VET is slowly growing its bubble. APE down by 2.7%. AXS or Axie Infinity down by 7.3%. So let's check some of the news right now. Bitcoin may hit 120,000. Wow! 120,000. dollar in 2023, says trader, as BTC price gains 25%. So this is like small pump, and we are now thinking like we're going to the moon, like the shirt, guys, going to the moon. So are we going to the moon right now? Next target is $120,000. Woo! Congratulations. All right, back to the news. Optimism is flowing around Bitcoin price potential, but the warning also point to intense correlation with stocks. Stocks is also up today, guys. Bitcoin BTC touches $24,000 at the July 20 Wall Street Open as the times kept rolling for crypto market. BTC price rally, all macro driven. Data from Telegraph, Markets Pro, and TradingView showed BTC USD passing its latest milestone after a brief consolidation. 24-hour gain in the past remained at nearly 8%, weekly return near 25%. Bitcoin and altcoin benefited from declining US dollar and stocks market. All right, so we have a new target here, $120,000. So let's check this one. So if right now I have seen this news, guys, most of the news, just whenever the price of Bitcoin pumps, most of the good news comes out, and the Moon Boys on Twitter also are showing that we might hit new ATH, that this will be the last time that you're going to buy Bitcoin below $24,000. So be careful. Ethereum may be going below 1.5 in a few hours. Any updates, we'll check the charts after some of the news and some of the important points here that we need to check, like the datas and what are the number of long and short position, fear and greed index, the overall crypto market status and the stock market status, the overall news. Solana price enters correction territory after 80% monthly gain. So Solana, guys, is about to go on correction. So if you're going to look at this chart, May to June, we have a bear flag pattern here. After this news, we're going to compare this to the actual chart. All right, so we have a bear flag for Solana, and possible target is $21 for this bear flag. Let's compare it with our chart later on. So Bitcoin, another news here, Bitcoin holds 5-week high as traders suggest parabolic bear trend is over. So now we have seen a small pump and the bear trend is over, guys. We're going to the moon, $120,000. Be ready. Crypto Renaissance sees Bitcoin price challenge major resistance and long-term trend line in much needed show of strength. Bitcoin took aim at 24,000 as on July 20 after night of solid gains put bulls in the driving seat. So the bulls right now are in control. Parabolas violated. Data from Telegraph, Markets Pro, and TradingView followed BTC USD as breaches $23,800. And right now, what's the price of Bitcoin? Bitcoin, I think, is back at 23,620. So maybe this is just a small correction before going up higher. So let's check the chart later. Let's finish this news first. Against expectation, crypto staged a recovery beyond intra-hour fake out as risk asset benefited from declining United States dollar or DYX. The inverse correlation between US dollar index and DXY Bitcoin remained center stage on the day, with the greenback coming off 20-year high at the end of the week prior. So this is the correlation of DXY, the price of DXY going up, Bitcoin is going down, price of DXY going down, price of Bitcoin going up. I think I have shared my chart about DXY. This only happened this year because previously DXY and Bitcoin is directly correlated. Once DXY goes up, in 2017, Bitcoin hit the all-time high, and once DXY goes down in 2017, Bitcoin also goes down. While in 2021, it's the direct opposite. The DXY going down, Bitcoin is going up, and DXY is going up, Bitcoin is going down. Ethereum chart, please. Also, maybe expected price of Ethereum price goes above 27. All right, so let's check, guys. Let's check. Yesterday, I've discussed about Ethereum and Bitcoin possible price target. Let's check if it's the same price target today. The dollar is taking nice hit today from the bears. Popular crypto trader Crypto Tony told Twitter as the breakout took shape. Parabola, DXY broke out below the trend line. Bitcoin parabolic run is over as expected. So this is from Trader J. Let's check this tweet. Let's check the tweet. I forgot to share this on Twitter. One sec, guys. Let me just share this on Twitter. Let me just share this. One sec. Just hang on. So, going back. Where are we? Trader J, Bitcoin parabolic run is over as expected, July 20. So this is this tweet was today. All right, local bottom, June 30. We might see big rally around 40K. Can dump to 25, 20. Bull run starts. Like, all right. Don't fight against trend, right? 24,000, right? Right. So where's the tweet? The tweet is gone. Parabolic run is over. Big crash coming soon, right? Contradicting his first tweet. All right. So continue. Major trend line sees sudden test. So this is what I'm pointing out a while ago, guys. Major trend line see a sudden test, returning to the current price action. Meanwhile, significance came in front of crucial trend line being broken. 100x Bitcoin energy use meant absurd 20 million Bitcoin price developer. Among them were 200-week moving average WMA at 22,800 Bitcoin, realized price 21,934 as of July. All right, so this is the data from Glassnode. Both classic fixture in Bitcoin bear market with BTCUSD actually wicking below while preserving the level as basic support. So I think this is the 200-day weekly 200-week moving average. Attention thus focus on the weekly close. Weekly close is important. Later I'm going to show you one chart why weekly close is very important, which could confirm a breakout from 200 WMA. Hard to believe that Bitcoin has broken the 50-day moving average. 200 weekly moving average confirms weak close, major upward resistance, and bear flag all in the same day. Shorting a breakout isn't the best idea. I TP'd a bit early on longs, but will re-enter on retest of support. I've closed my long position very early. I have a long position at the bottom of the channel, and I've closed it halfway because I was expecting a rejection on the sideways resistance channel, but instead Bitcoin broke out. So, but that's the way it is. That's part of trading. Sound check, sound check. All right. So, here is, where are we, do you think? Let me know in the chat section below, guys. Where are we right now in the trader's cheat sheet or the Wall Street cheat sheet? Are we in the denial stage? Let's check Bitcoin price and let's compare. Where do we exactly stand right now? Look at this support, guys. 200-day or 20-day EMA acting as support is what you can see. Bitcoin pump away from 20-day EMA. Revisited this as a support again, pump back up, revisited as support, little wick to the downside, pump back up, revisited 20-day EMA as a support, continues to pump, and right now I think we are on the process of retesting the 200-day 20-day EMA as a support, or this trend line right here. So we are still in an uptrend, overall uptrend. Watch out for the break of trend. That's the time, or that's the ideal time to enter short position. But right now what you can do is just to do some small scalps every time it does a correction, and you can ride the waves as well near the 20-day EMA here. So if you want to enter long position, don't FOMO. All you have to do is just to wait for the price to revisit the 20-day EMA, and then you can ride the waves a little bit. Ride the waves. Right, so before we proceed, guys, just a little bit of disclaimer. All the information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Right? So, 4-hour time frame still going parabolic. No breakup trend, higher high, higher lows. So still no breakup trend, no break of any structure right now. Still going up. The trend is your friend until it ends. So wait, don't short for now. Not a financial advice in my opinion. This was the first resistance that I've shared in the VIP. Let me update them first. Right, so first resistance hit take my I found, all right, actually I'm in Discord, all right. Message me in a live stream and I'll check. Your profile pic and your what's zip, right? So going back to the chart, guys. So this was one of the resistance that I've shared in the VIP a while ago when Bitcoin was just hovering at around 23,000 something dollar here, and this was the first resistance. And the second target, just in case we break above this resistance, will be at 25,907. Ooh, that is far. And also, guys, you need to consider that we have already a breakout for Bitcoin, so be careful with your short positions. So right now it looks like that Bitcoin is retesting the previous breakout. So this was the resistance trend line. Right now, Bitcoin is on the process of retesting this previous resistance trend line as a support. So be careful in shorting, especially right now we have a breakout. And if this bounce from its previous support, expect a further move to the upside, and possible. We don't have much trade on this level, guys, so not much resistance on this level. So same how fast we drop here, it can also go up as fast as it drops, because we don't have much trade on this level. So let's see. Also, this could be a this could still be a fake out. So today is going to be an important day. We need to watch out for the daily candle. Let's check what's the update yesterday. So yesterday, daily candle closed above the resistance trend line. So we are expecting a further pump to the upside. And today, let's check if this daily candle will maintain its position above the resistance trend line. If this daily candle drops below, this will turn into a bearish candle or a reversal candle like this. So once this price here, if we close today below the resistance trend line around $23,000, expect a further move to the downside. But today, on the time of recording, Bitcoin is still trading above, so be careful with short position. Right now, the trend is your friend, guys. The trend is your friend. So that's for Bitcoin. Still looking very bullish. Still have a greater chances of going up. In the daily time frame, we have this next resistance at $26,500 area. It's not a gap there. Sharp DAG, your assumption to 30K is not valid. So let me know what should be the what's your target, because this could be if you're going to check, if you're going to zoom out. Let me close all the indicators. If you are going to zoom out, the next strong resistance level that we need to watch out, removing all the emotions in the market, removing all the biases in the market. Whether you're holding short position right now, I'm holding my short position, but technically speaking, we have a breakout already. This is a bear flag. My bias yesterday was to short around near the resistance trend line. Maybe we'll get rejected and will bring the price back lower or even revisit the previous low. But right now, daily candle is still above the resistance trend line. And if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to show you some of my posts after this chart. But if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, if you're going to zoom in, Bitcoin actually is trading above the support trend line and trying to hold above this line here. So this doesn't look bearish at all right now. And if the daily candle close above this resistance trend line, even if you're holding short position, you need to accept the fact that this could go higher. We don't have much resistance here. There's no gap. CMA gap is different, but we don't have much trade here. So previously, when Bitcoin was just hovering at around this area, I was expecting a fast move to the downside because we don't have much trade in here. So what you can see, Bitcoin have dropped from $29,000. I have exactly mentioned this in the VIP. Once you see the break of trend, ride the waves. So this is the time you ride the waves, guys. Once you see breakout, ride the waves to the downside. This was almost almost 40% drop, and right now Bitcoin is up from its lowest level 27%. So right now, look at this, guys, look at this. We have a drop here. This is the time when CPI report came out, and the whales used that as an opportunity to drop the market. And then we have some of the retails capitulate. They think that's the signal to go on short, but from here it bounced back up to $28,000 to $24,000 and 28% pump from this breakout or fake out. So now we need to watch out for the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. We need to watch out for the daily time frame, because if this closes above the support trend line, we might see a bounce, and we don't have much trade in here. The next resistance that I'm looking at for Bitcoin are these white lines. You see, the first resistance have been hit exactly pinpoint accuracy, guys. Resistance drop, revisiting the previous support at around $23,300. Watch out for this level. If you want to enter a quick long position, this could be a good entry point here, but be careful. Always set a stop loss, because right now the market is going crazy. And the next resistance that I'm looking at, if this resistance or if the price breaks above $24,300, will be $25,000 or around $26,000. That will be the next target. And if you're going to zoom out, daily time frame, so let's wait for trading view. I think this is because of some of the open tabs here. Going crazy. Let me pull it back up. Long and short going crazy. Right, so long and short's going crazy here. If you're going to zoom out, guys, the next resistance will be around 30,000 level. This was the previous support. This level was the previous support, and right now this will serve as a resistance for Bitcoin. So the next strong resistance, we don't have much trade on this level, guys. You see, check the left side, we don't have much trade here, we don't have much trade here. That is why once the when the price breaks below the support trend line, we have seen a massive drop, and we could see similar price action if this continues to move up. But also you need to consider that we are still in a bear market, and we are still in a overall downtrend, guys. We are still in an overall downtrend. So during the bear market, the game is different compared to the bull market. In the bear market, what we do is we wait for the resistance, we short, bounce back up, 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 resistance, we short. While in the bull market, it's different. Bounce back up, correction, we enter during the correction, bounce back up, correction, we enter during the correction, bounce back up, correction, we enter during the correction. So that's the game in the bull market. While in the bear market, we wait for short position, or we wait for the resistance. So right now, this was the first resistance that I'm looking at yesterday, was the top of the bear flag pattern. Top of the bear flag pattern. So right now we are, or Bitcoin price is hovering above. It's above this resistance trend line, and this could continue to move back up. That is why it's important that we need to wait for the daily candle close. If this continues to close above the resistance trend line, turned into a support, this could further move up. You check the white lines that I've shared in the VIP, those are the next resistances. While if the daily candle close below, this will form as a bearish or inverse hammer. That will be a bearish candle. That is also a sign of reversal. So watch out for the daily candle close today. And this will be the level to maintain the bullish momentum, guys. While Bitcoin is still trading above this line, $21,800, Bitcoin can still bounce back up. Still higher high and higher lows. So again, still possible that Bitcoin might reach until 30,000 level. This is the major resistance that Bitcoin could reach with this bear market relief. I don't know with the other YouTubers and other influencers. I don't think that we have hit the bottom already. But if you have watched my previous video about possible bottom price of Bitcoin, my range is around here. And I have already posted that since January of 2021 or 2022. Let me show you. Before we move on to Ethereum, let me show you some of my predictions very quickly. So one guy here is just smiling right now. Rate hikes are coming. Inflation, CPI report, and the Fed. Looking at the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. So if you know this guy, just say hi. Let's check some of the survey. What price will BTC Hi, Chu. What about Ethereum? Any chance of pullback, and to what level? Let me show you first some of my targets that I posted last January, because all or most of that targets have been hit. What price will BTC hit first? 30,000 or 20,000? 61%, $20,000, right? So what price will Ethereum hit first? 2,000 or 1,000? We have 1,000. So here we need to watch out for this, guys. 200 moving average. This have signaled the bottom for Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin confirm this 200-day moving average as a support, we might see Bitcoin bounce back up. You see here, 2017 or 2014 bear market drop below the 200 moving average, move back up, drop, hover above the 200 moving average, bounce back up, make this as a support, then we have seen a parabolic run to the upside. And another 2017 bull market drop until the 200-day moving average, confirm this as a support, bounce back up, and then another here in 2020, 2021, bounce back up. And right now we are on this level, guys. Bitcoin weekly, I'll show you the chart. So Bitstamp weekly time frame, and we'll use moving average 200-day. So here's the 200-day moving average, guys. 2014 drop near the level of the 200-day moving average, hovered on top of it, drop a little bit to the downside, bounce back up, confirmed 200-day moving average as a support, and then we have seen a parabolic run until 2017, and then another bull market, another bear market, drop down to 200-day moving average, dropped by almost 82%, confirm this as a support, bounce back up, another drop here, confirm as a support, bounce back up to 2021, and right now we are on this level. So Bitcoin right now is on this level. Weekly, if weekly candle closes above 22,750, and if we confirm this as a support, we might see a further bounce to the upside. So those are some of the important key points that we need to watch out in the coming days. So let me show you some of my previous tweet, guys. So for example, we have here Matic. I have posted this January 2022. Possible best entry price for long-term HODL around 0.42. And I think Matic have hit the target. Let's check. Where is Matic? Matic, where is Matic? So here's Matic. Matic have hit around 0.38, exactly near this area, guys. Matic possible best entry price for long term. Remember, Matic was just hovering at around $1.6 when I made this tweet, January 2022. So that is Feb, March, April, May, June, July, 6 months in advance. I have already predicted this price for Matic, guys. We are ahead of time. Another one here is BNB, same date, January 29. Possible bottom price, huddle for long-term buy zone at $117, 117.9, and second buy zone at 189.6. So let's check BNB. After this, we are going to check Ethereum chart before we end the stream. So for BNB, guys, look at this. BNB have hit 188.6, 189.6, guys. This was the second buy zone. I have tweeted this January 29, 2022, when BNB was just hovering. Remember, BNB was just hovering around $400. Who would have think that BNB will reach this level, $189? Another one here, Bitcoin. February 24, 2022. Possible bottom price for Bitcoin, $18,000 to $21,000, below this moving average here, EMA 200, and the price of Bitcoin was just hovering around $34,000. So I have already tweeted the possible price target for Bitcoin as early as February. I have sold most of my holdings at $65,000. I have went all in at $30,000. Last April crash, I went all in $30,000 and then sold most of my holding at $65,000. Bought Bitcoin at an average price right now of 18.5 thousand. That's my current average price right now for Bitcoin, and this was exactly on point. I've tweeted this February 24. So this was another chart talking about $16,100 to $22,000 possible bottom. I was actually live when I posted this chart, and Bitcoin was crashing, going through $17,000 during this time. So this was the tweet, and I have bought some Bitcoin at around $17,000 to $20,000 area. So Ethereum, guys, possible resistance in the daily time frame that I am looking at right now will be 1728 level. This was the strongest support for Ethereum, and this will serve now as a strong resistance for Ethereum. So I'm expecting a rejection at around this level. Just in case Ethereum will flip this as a support, I think I'm gonna close my short position, because that's a time that Ethereum might possibly bounce back up. But let's see in the coming days. So overall, those are some of my tweets since February. And right now, where do you think we are sitting? Are we in the denial stage? Are we in panic? I think we are done with the panic stage. When Bitcoin dropped below 30,000, I think that was, I have also tweeted capitulation during that time. Panic, I think we are done with panic sell and capitulation. I think we are on this level right now. Short bounce. How do I draw on this? Let me copy this. All right. So let's compare this chart actually. Let's compare this chart to most of our cryptos right now. Let me pull up Bitcoin. So where's the chart? Why I can't paste the picture? Copy, paste, paste. Ah, that's why. Right. I have now all of this here. So, where do you think we are right now in this Wall Street cheat sheet? So where are we? I think we are on this stage right now. We are on this stage. We are done with the denial at $30,000. I think most of us didn't expect a drop to 20,000 or to 17,000 that fast and that early. And this all happened because of Luna, because of the because of most of the institutions have joined. Like we have 3AC, we have Luna, we have all of this institution joining the game have affected the price of Bitcoin drastically and most of our cryptos. Right now, I think we are on this stage. We are in this small bounce area. So if you're going to check, if you're going to compare this in 2017, just very quick guys, I just would like to share with you my thoughts on where we are really standing on this current market. So if you are going to compare this, I don't think we are done about this anger stage, depression. I don't think we are in the disbelief area right now. I think we are on this area right now. We are on this small rally. Let me just make this clear. We are done with the panic. Panic happened here when the price of Bitcoin dropped below 30,000. We have seen capitulation. The price went down directly to 17,600, hovered a little bit. So I think we are here. Bounce back up. Right now we are on this level. Bounce back up, then will eventually drop down, and then will hover for 3 to 4 months and until the last quarter of 2022. Let me show you one important chart as well. Here, I have tweeted this when Bitcoin was just hovering around $40,000 and my target was already around $20,000. I have tweeted this last April 15, 2022. April, May, June, July. So 3 months in advance, I have already predicted Bitcoin may hit $20,000, and the date was actually November, last quarter 2022. I'm expecting that's the lowest price of Bitcoin, but we went ahead of time because of Luna. They are holding almost 50,000 Bitcoin. When Luna crashed to zero, they have sold most of their Bitcoin. Bitcoin price went down, and some of the aspect as well affecting Bitcoin, like inflation, war in Ukraine, oil and gas going up, We have also the CPI report. We have the rate hike. So all of this have affected, combined all the negative news, we have hit 20,000 early this April or July. So we are actually ahead of schedule, because I was expecting 20,000 around November. So maybe we might revisit that area in the coming months. So watch out. Right now, I don't think we are done with this stage here. I don't think we are done with depression. FOMO and retails are still in the market. They are still expecting another bull run, another ATH. If you have seen the news here, this is just $120,000 in 2023, and I don't see any reason. It could happen, but I don't see any reason before the halving that we could go up. Because if you're going to check the chart here, nothing have changed, guys. It's all the same. Here, 2017, we have dropped, bounced back up this level, hovered a little bit, then continue to move upside, drop another time, and then move back up this belief, and then proceed to another bull run. So similar here, this is 2021. We are just starting to go into the bear or the crypto winter. Also, comparing this 2024, we have dropped, bounced back up a little bit here. I think this was the level, and then drop, another bounce here, drop into depression level, and then disbelief rally, proceed to 2017. So right now, if you're going to compare it with 2021, we are very early to pump another way back up. I think we are still going to hover, drop back to the lower level, bounce back up a little bit, drop to the lower level. 2024, 2025, we're going to hit another all-time high. So that's for that's my thought on the market and with Bitcoin. And I don't think we are going to see another rally by the end of 2022 or 2023. I could be totally wrong, but that's my own opinion. With all this inflation, rate hikes, recession, war in Ukraine, oil and gas going up, I think this is just a relief rally. So let's check Ethereum, guys, before I end the stream. Time check, it's already 10 p.m. and I need to end my stream soon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. I appreciate all your support. So, Ethereum, we have a resistance trend line here. Resistance trend line. At around this level, $16,000 ish, we have a resistance trend line, and still Ethereum trying to break this. Let's wait for the daily candle close. Coming days will be very exciting for Ethereum. If we break above, we have another resistance, an ideal resistance here. Not a financial advice, at around $17,020. This, if you're going to zoom out, this serves as a very good support for Ethereum, and right now this will serve as a strong resistance for Ethereum. So watch out for this level. And also in the lower time frame, or in the daily time frame, we have this resistance trend line acting as a resistance for Ethereum. So watch out for the daily candle close. This will be the level that we need to focus. If Ethereum stay above, or daily candle close above 15,000, still this could hover here for several days and try to break this resistance trend line. And if eventually this will break out, retest of support, next target will be $1,720. And if this will be rejected, we might see Ethereum revisit the previous resistance at around $1,270. So that's it for Ethereum. We have some small supports along the way. Previous resistance turned into a support, so this will be the supports just in case Ethereum will drop S1, S2. All right. And also, guys, if you want to download BITGET, one of the coolest feature, guys, is the drag and drop feature. Very cool. One of the exchange that I really love personally, excluding all the ads and paid promotion. Personally, I like the exchange, especially when you're trading using phone. It's just easy to drag and drop, stop loss, take profit. You can see how much profit you got, and you can easily move this as the price moves along. So it's very easy, user friendly. It's available in US, Canada, and Australia. They have regulatory license on these areas, and you can get up to 40% rebate if you're going to use my referral link down below. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Hey, let me before we end the stream, let me check some of the chats. Hamed Muradi, hi, what's up? How are you doing today? Jabber Maboob, hi, welcome to the stream. ECD, what's good? It's just me, or Bybit is not loading. I'm not using Bybit. Blue Migraine, welcome to the stream. How are you? Marlboro to the earth, I think. So he thinks that Bitcoin and Ethereum going to the earth. Check Syscoin. Moonboy is coming back out of the caves. It is not the gap there. Your assumption to 30K is not valid. I hope so. Jaworski, hello, how are you doing? Bus Forever, hi, chill, what about Ethereum? Any chance of pullback? So again, for Ethereum, watch out for the resistance trend line and the support at 1,500. Daily candle close below support. We might revisit this previous level, but right now Ethereum is just bouncing inside this descending triangle pattern and trying to break this resistance level at $1,600. Major resistance that I'm considering right now is 1,725. If we break down below the support at 1,500, we have some support at 1,434. Next is 1,330. Target will be the previous breakout resistance at around $1,270. That's for Ethereum. Thanks ECD, yeah, it's working again. Crypto World, what's up? All right, guys, so thanks for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this stream useful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.